Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's segment, we are going to be making a ham and egg cup. This is a simple on-the-go recipe if you're running out the door, headed to meetings, your job, but also I know a lot of people are at home right now and you have your kids at home as well. This is a recipe that you can make really quick. Not only is this recipe very, very healthy, but it's also really simple. So let's get started. For the recipe, you will need 8 large eggs, 8 slices of deli ham, and this is from my local Price Chopper, 3/4 cup of feta cheese, some non-stick cooking spray. I have some fresh pico that I have made the night before, and 1½ tablespoons of oil. The first step is to spray your muffin tins. You want to make sure that they're evenly coated just to prevent the ham from sticking while cooking. You're going to place your ham in the muffin tin, pressing down firmly just to make a cup, because you want that egg to sit in there. Last one. Feta cheese is optional. If you don't like it, you can just leave it out, or you can use an alternative. You could use a sharp cheddar. That would be perfect in this as well. All right, now that we have our meat crust ready, let's head over to the skillet. All right, this is ready to go. It's been cooking for about a minute. And the reason why you want it warm is because when you add it to your egg mixture, it just kind of helps with getting the cooking process going and getting those juices flowing. Now it's time to add this to our egg mixture. So grab your eggs and let's get cracking. All right, I'm going to add some salt into my mixture and my black pepper. All right, give that just a couple quick good stirs and you're ready to go. All right, my oven is preheated to 350. These are ready to go in. You're going to cook them for about 22 minutes until they're set in the middle. If you notice during the cooking process, the edges of the ham is browning too quickly, you can just cover it with a piece of foil. Look at that. They are ready to go. It's been about 20-25 minutes depending on your oven. A fork is what's best to be able to get these out of there. They should just pop right up. If not, you just want to kind of move your fork around. And there you have it. Oh my God, that is delicious. You get the citrusy tomato flavor from the pico along with the sweetness from the ham. It pairs really well with that egg and feta mixture. If you want to make this recipe, you can either go in the store and grab the Price Chopper's Gathering magazine. It is in the April issue this month. Or you can go on the Price Chopper website and download it as well and look at it. Thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen. I'll see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.